Hi guys, this is Tim, Tim's World. To all you new subscribers and people viewing, thanks for the subscription. And I just post a little bit of everything that I do out here. And I wanted to show what I made yesterday. I made this like park bench and then painted it. I come back here the day before that and cleaned all this out. I cut a whole bunch of trees down. You couldn't even hardly see the pond very well. Cut all the weeds down. And I took 4 of the trees that were standing and I took all the branches off, made a fork for a fishing pole. I just seen a frog jump here. You can see I don't know, can you see them big bass swimming? Well, I can't see with this camera, but I can see them. They look like they swim in pairs. Anyway, I'm going to try to catch some of them this weekend. Here's the park bench I made. Come back here and sit. Nothing fancy, but I did paint it. It's not perfect, but it serves a purpose. Sit right here and enjoy. I come back here this morning early and sit and just watched everything, listened to the birds and all that. But just wanted to show that, make a real quick video here. I'm getting ready to mow over there a little bit. And I might make another one of these today. I don't know. And I probably won't paint it. I'm running out of paint. But set one somewhere else. Anyway, I want to show that. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.